Hello, today we are going to tell you all about artificial rain. What is artificial rain? Artificial rain, also known as cloud seeding, is a weather modification. Technique designed to induce participation by dispersing substance into air that serve as cloud. Condensation or ice nuclei. The basic idea behind the cloud seeding is to enhance the process of cloud formation and precipitation within clouds. There are different methods of cloud seeding, but one common approach involves the introduction of materials into clouds that act as cloud condensation or ice nuclei. These materials can include substances like silver iodide, potassium iodide, or liquid propane. The introduced particles provide additional surfaces for water droplets to condense upon, leading to the formation of larger droplets that can fall as precipitation. The effectiveness of cloud seeding is still a subject of debate, and its success can be influenced by various factors. Including the type of clouds, atmospheric conditions, and the specific seeding material used. While some studies suggest that cloud seeding can enhance precipitation under certain circumstances, others argue that its impact is limited and that natural variability in weather pattern plays a significant role. Cloud seeding is sometimes employed in regions experiencing water shortages or drought conditions to potentially increase rainfall and water resources. However, ethical and environmental considerations as well as uncertainties about its long-term effects have led to ongoing discussions and research in the field of weather modification, which countries are using this artificial rain. There are several countries have engaged in cloud seeding or weather modification programs. It is important to note that the extent and success of this program can vary, and use of such technologies is often a topic of discussion and research. Some of the countries that have experimented with or implemented cloud seeding programs include China. China has the most extensive and active cloud seeding programs globally. They have used cloud seeding to enhance precipitation, particularly in regions facing water shortages. Second is United States. Various states in the US including Texas and California, have conducted cloud seeding operations. These programs are often aimed at increasing water resources in drought-affected areas. The third is United Arab Emirates. The UAE has invested in cloud seeding technology, especially to address water scarcity issues. They have used cloud seeding during periods of drought. Fourth is Russia. Russia has history of cloud seeding. Particularly for agricultural purposes and to mitigate the impact of hailstorms. Fifth is India. India has also experimented with cloud seeding in an attempt to increase rainfall and address water scarcity. In certain regions. Next is, sixth is Thailand. Thailand has utilized cloud seeding to induce rainfall, especially during drought conditions. It's worth noting that while cloud seeding is a practice that is practiced in these and other countries, effectiveness and impact of such programs can be variable and subject to ongoing scientific evaluation. Additionally, the status of weather modification programs may change over time as new research is conducted and policies involve how useful and harmful are artificial rain. The use of artificial rain or cloud seeding is a topic of ongoing debate, and its utility and potential harm depend on various factors, including the specific methods used, the environmental context, and ethical consideration. Here are some points to consider regarding the usefulness and potential drawbacks of artificial rains. Usefulness. 1. Water resource management. Cloud seeding is often used in regions facing water shortages or drought conditions. If successful, it can contribute to increased precipitation, potentially providing additional water, drinking water supplies, and for other purposes. Second, agriculture. Increased rainfall from cloud seeding may benefit agricultural activities, especially in areas where water availability is a limiting factor for crop growth. Third, mitigation of hailstorms. In some cases, cloud seeding has been explored as a method to reduce the size of hailstorms in thunderstorms, thereby minimizing damage to crops and property. Potential harm. First, environmental impact. The introduction of seeding agents such as silver iodide into atmosphere raises concerns about potential environmental impacts. The long-term effects of these materials on ecosystems and human health are not yet fully understood. Secondly, unintended consequences. Manipulating weather patterns through cloud conditions may cause unintended problems. Changes in precipitation patterns might alter the natural water cycle, might have unforeseen effects. Third, ethical concerns. The deliberate modification of weather patterns raises ethical questions about human intervention in natural processes. Questions about who controls such technologies and how decisions are made regarding their use add another layer of complexity. Scientific uncertainty. The effectiveness of cloud seeding is not universally accepted, and scientific studies on its success are often inconclusive. The outcomes can vary based on atmospheric conditions, the type of clouds, and other factors. Legal and international issues. The use of cloud seeding can lead to disputes over water rights and international agreements, especially if the manipulated weather affects neighboring regions or countries. In summary, while artificial rains through cloud seeding holds potential benefits in addressing water scarcity and supporting agriculture, it can also pose environmental and ethical and scientific challenges. The decision to implement cloud seeding program requires careful consideration of these factors and ongoing research to better understand its implications. Regulations and oversight are crucial to ensure responsible and sustainable use of weather modification technologies.